Okay. For some reasons, okay, yeah, it's live. Let me refresh and see. Yeah, it's working. So cool. Let me go to my YouTube channel and see if it's working there as well. So yep, it's working there as too. So hey guys, so I think it has been a long time since I came live, and I hope you are able to hear me audible. Um, so in this video, I'm just going to talk about extension officer. But before that, I think if you have seen my past uh, two posts before, that I have decided on two goals, which is like a 10-year goal and a 20-year goal. And so the 10-year goal is build a community center where I can teach skills for the underprivileged children, and also have kind of like a business center here. Hi, Gauravjit Singh. Thanks for chopping in here. So, and the 20-year goal is to actually build a mental museum. I'm a graduate in geology. I have my master's in geology, and I really love minerals. So I want to have like a mental museum in my like that's kind of like a 20-year goal, which I want to build in my hometown, probably in my hometown, or else in Chennai. So there isn't any mental museum in South India, so that's the kind of goal which I want to do. That's my goal here. So, coming to this video, so today we're going to talk about extension officer. So, before that, going into extension officer, you just want to know like how and why you need Chrome extensions, right? So, let me bring up the graphics here. So, as you can see here, the iPhone has like 1.6 billion users. Like it's on a mobile, iPad, iPhone. Um, so they have like 1.6 billion users, and they have like 2 million apps there. And when it comes to Chrome, like the Google Chrome which you're using, it can be Google Chrome or it can be Brave browser, whatever the browsers which is based upon Chromium can actually use a Chrome extension. And there are around 3 billion users, but we only have around like 200,000 plugins like Chrome extensions right now. So you can see the gap right now uh, in between here. So this kind of gives you an example that okay, there is a gap where you can actually use this gap to build some Chrome extension or use it for your own agency, or if you're a SaaS business owner, you can use the Chrome extension to do more stuff, to probably get more leads, where you can just give away like a free Chrome extension, like have some lower limits, and use that to bring in more leads and get users for your SaaS business. So there are a lot of ways to use your Chrome extension. So to do that, that's why so right now I'm also in the process of building my own Chrome extension. And when I was let me with the graphics here. So when I'm right now, I'm building my own Chrome extension, which should be ready within the next 2-3 weeks, and the extension officer should also be ready within the 2 to 3 weeks. So I'll be doing a short. I'll be sharing my screen within like few minutes once I explain it. Um, so when I was building a Chrome extension, the first part of building a Chrome extension is to build the basic data structure, where you have to manage users, like create a user, suspend users, unsuspend, delete, or whatever it may be. So I thought maybe I want to get on this train of Chrome extensions, and I want to help other people, make it easy for them to build Chrome extension itself. So that's why I created Extension Officer, which was a need for me. So if anyone is interested in Chrome extension, or already have a Chrome extension but want to build a user management, you can just reach out to me and you need extension officer. Or if you are thinking of building a Chrome extension, I probably extension officer can actually help you save a lot of money, and speed up your process in Chrome extension by around 20 to 25%, I think so, depending upon the Chrome extension. So Let me share my screen here, and this is still in beta. So and we haven't, like, we just want to have like working model and then concentrate on much more better UI and do some quality assessment and just do it. So that's why we haven't yet updated the UI. Hey Munir, looking slimmer. Actually, I did lose around 10, 15, I think around, it comes around 10 kgs. When I was in Kolkata, I was like eating a lot, and I was just staying there. And here, I'm just working. As I came to my home, I had to do some work and stuff like that. So I actually reduced my weight around 10 kilos. So and become more healthy right now. So let me share my screen here, and yeah. So I hope you guys can see my screen here. Just checking. Let me. Yeah. So yeah, so this is the dashboard right now which we have, and this is like a basic dashboard. We didn't right now. I just want this to be like a working model and then focus on the UI. So when I will log in into this, you can just see the number of extensions you have and the number of users you have. And right now I just have like one extension and one user, and you have an extension list here. So if you have like a multiple extensions, so let's say you have like one, two, three, four, or five extensions, you can have all the extensions right now. And presently, I think we just right now we just wanted just one extension, so we didn't have like more, which we'll be adding in the upcoming updates. And the next thing is that users. So you can add a new user. So these are like manual methods. So you can just like have a name, like let's say Naveen, an email 123 at gmail.com. So you can also set the password here and choose the extension and save. And the user is created here. And so right now we can't download the extensions technically because it's still not yet done. As I said, it will take another 15 to 30 days to finish it off. So once the extension is done, you can actually download it and you can go in and log in. But these are like the user list here, and if you wanna edit, you can, let's say, just you want to have like a different password, or you want to change the email or the name of the user, you can actually do it. And if you want to suspend the user, you can do it, or you want to reset the password, you can actually do it. So these are like a manual process here. And when it comes to API settings, you also have API settings here. So let's say you have like a subscriber, your customer is paying anywhere in a monthly charge anywhere from like $5 to $10, and uh, the you can actually use this API settings here. So these are like you can use this same API settings here to add user. So let's say that in a funnel, someone's paying you $9 per month, started paying, or even in a trial, you can use this API settings to create the user. And let's say that the payment got cancelled, so you can actually suspend the user here. And if they paid again, you can just have like an unsuspend user. So all these can be done within Zapier, Pabbly, Integromat, whatever the automation platforms you're using, you can actually do it. So this is like a basic model. Right now we are creating it and it's already done. Actually we can do it, but I just wanted to I think there are still a few things which you have to do once for the extension officer itself. And you also have the API key here. If you want to show the API key, you have to use the same API key here. And if you just want to regenerate the API key, you can just regenerate it. So this is all you get, where it's very easy for you to manage your users and manage your users when it comes to like creating a user, suspending them, and suspending them, so that it makes your manage users and acrometions very easy. So right now this is the beta model, and we are probably going to add more and more features. So yeah, so once so I'm probably gonna release extension officer and probably the micro extension at the kind of like the same time, or even before it and kind of like do. And the interesting part is that you can actually white label the extension as well, which I'll probably talk in another live. And if you're interested, the extension, what it does, it's a kind of like an email verifier. It verifies your email, and if you have like a bunch of batch products, you can actually use to verify your email. So that is what the Chrome extension does. And I have at least like 3 to 4 Chrome extension ideas which I'm planning to do within this next 6 5 months, within the next 5 or 6 months, which I'm probably gonna do. So once that is done, I'm just gonna roll out all the extensions out. So I just want to have my like good 5 to 6 Chrome extensions from extension officer itself. But before you guys go, or I just want you guys thoughts that have a domain name. So right now I have extensionofficer.com. So do you think that is good, or is it like Chrome extensionofficer.com is good? Because I thought that may be like a little bit more lengthy. So I didn't use like Chrome extension officer. Let me know in comments, or just let me know that if that makes much more sense. And I also own a different set of extension, like a domain name, which is um, extensionowner.com and Chrome extensionowner.com as well. And let me know which one you like as well. I was thinking of going with Chrome extension officer and extension owner. The only reason is that including Chrome in the domain name may or may not. It's kind of like a trademark thing which may become an issue, so that's the reason I didn't want to have it. So I just have like just the Chrome extension officer and Chrome extension owner. But probably I'll just build a funnel in Chrome extension owner and Chrome extension officer. So let's see. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to message me about it. And right now I actually have like a limited lifetime deal for just 10 people, because I don't want to have this lifetime deal for more than 10 people. And I'm sure that I can get more customers once I have my extensions come in. And once the extension officer is done, and it doesn't cost thousands of dollars. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars to actually create your own extension. And so it's very affordable here. So extension manager, okay. That sounds, I was looking into it, and I was looking into the domain actually, and I think extensionmanager.com is um it's already extensionmanager.com costs around $4,000. So I think that's the only reason I just skipped out extension manager, to be honest here. So yeah, guys. So if you have any doubts, or if you have any questions, please feel free to message me, and I'm happy to answer your questions. And I have another productized product coming, like it's a kind of like a productized service which I'm probably going to release within the next week as well. So it's kind of like, it's more like a graphic designing thing, which probably you'll be also seeing within the next week. So I hope that goes well as well. So thank you guys for watching the live video. And I have many things in my plate, and I'll be doing more lives from now on, so that you get updates and much more value you get. So see you guys in the next video. And I hope okay, so yeah, so COVID situation is pretty bad in India, so I hope everyone is safe. Whoever is watching, just be safe, wear your mask, and just be safe. And I hope this COVID thing goes as soon as possible. So uh, thank you guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye.